Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore one more scent together, which is Roja Elysium Pour Femme. Elysium version for females. I am not sure why perfumers think that having more white florals inside a woman perfume is necessary for a woman to look attractive for men. I think this is a misconception. So try to balance out with sweet, musky, animalic, or maybe light woody notes, and don't use too much white florals. For me, white florals are a headache. Okay, so let's test this out. Roja Elysium Pour Femme. The bottle is something similar to this. I will show the bottle over here, up here. It is very vibrant, pink, bluish kind of tutti fruity colors. Anyhow, so let's spray this out and find out, does it really stands with the standard Elysium has set, Elysium for men. Ooh, it is very fruity floral perfume, I had to say, but for me, I can get some headache with these kind of very high pitched florals. It is sweet, it is floral, it has some floral that is, maybe it's Freesia, maybe peach, something like that. That is kind of mellow sweetness. I didn't sense much bergamot or anything in the start. Yes, it has high pitched white florals, Ylang Ylang, Freesia, Jasmine or something like that. I really hate those. Okay, so I'm saying it again. I really hate Lily of the Valley, Ylang Ylang or these kind of white florals. I do love roses, rose petals, light pink rose smell, white rose smell. So these are really great. It's kind of like sweet, light mellow, high white florals. I think it would be Lily of the Valley, Freesia, light peachy kind of scent, and white florals are very overpowered over here. I really hate white florals because I get a headache, and when I see a woman passing by me and wearing very high pitched jasmine or white floral perfume, I tend to avoid that. I tend to run away from her because it is going to induce a headache for me, and it's, ooh, I think it's difficult for me to sniff it up close. There is some sweetness. I think they should have more, maybe some spice added, or maybe some fig kind of sweetness just to tone it down. It is very high pitched white florals on your face. So that is all. This is my review about Roja Elysium Pour Femme. I'm not impressed. I think it should be a very kind of like attractive summer version of Elysium, maybe adding more rose to the Elysium version, or maybe one or two notes. They have changed it totally differently, and this is not what I think Elysium for females. Okay, so that is my verdict. I am going to give it 5 out of 10 or maybe 4 out of 10 for scent profile, 4 out of 10 for scent profile, and performance I think it would be 7 out of 10 for performance. I didn't like it at all. If you like white florals or enjoy white florals, if you are a woman, I think that it is suited for you. But for me, I would really never tend to buy it because it would be a headache for me. Okay, so that is all. I would stay in touch with you guys. Make sure you comment in the comment section below. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.